So artificial intelligence is incredible these days. It can do just about anything, including creating artwork. So I'll just show you how this new software creates art in literally just a few seconds. So you just type in what you want. So for example, we put a couple in London, and you can choose the mood. Maybe we want them romantic. And okay, let's just try that, see what it comes up with. There you go. And there's Big Ben, which is definitely in London. That's Houses of Parliament. Not exactly sure where these other places are, but and the other amazing thing is you can do all these different styles, like medium. You can do it like maybe you want like a graffiti art in the style of Andy Warhol, for example. Okay, let's try that. Wow, I think that's pretty amazing, and he actually even looks a bit like Andy Warhol as well. You know, if you could paint stuff like that, you could probably sell it for millions. And obviously you can just copy it, or you can download it up 2048 times 2048. So pretty big high definition images. I think these look pretty amazing on any website. Maybe let's just do one in London. Wow, well that I think it's supposed to be a bit of Tower of London. So yeah, it's a bit like London. Okay, so let's try something else. Let's just change these to none. Let's do dogs playing football. Maybe you've got a blog which is about dogs and about football. I don't know what your blog's about. And there you go. And these, as I say, they're not real dogs. They're just computer generated. And that one's actually passing it to the other, isn't it? And that's, I think, an American football. That's a soccer ball. That one, the ball is, spot the ball. It's probably off the edge. And this one's pretty amazing. It's like jumping up its back feet in the air, which I don't think I've ever seen a dog do that. But obviously a very good football player, that one. So pretty amazing stuff. This software actually only costs $20 a month. Well, I can't believe how cheap it is and how incredible the pictures are. They're just so entertaining. If you want more information, go to keithcentral.com. That's all for now. Bye.